What is going on, everybody? I just want to give you a quick update on the 1800copywriter.com. So this is Jasper. This is the Jasper.ai intensified workshop. Basically, it teaches you how to make an extra $100 to $500 a month over the next 5 days. So I go over a bunch of different stuff. So this is just the minimum viable product. So I slap this into a membership I switch everything from ClickFunnels to Systeme.io, and there are a bunch of these videos in here, and basically goes everything from Facebook organic to copywriting jobs and how to make money with Jarvis and Jasper now, and how you can make an extra little side income, as well as 27 different high income earning skills that you can leverage with Jarvis. So I threw this in the membership area here. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below. Hopefully this helps out, and if you want to do me a huge favor, leave some comments down below and tell me what I should add into this membership. My whole goal is to help you as much as possible. This is completely free. All you have to do is go to 1800copywriter.com. I'm gonna leave a link down below. If you want to jump on a call with me, I've got a Calendly link over here. This is a widget, and you can schedule time with me. We can talk, we can jump on the phone. I have no problem doing that, answering your questions or your concerns. But I just want to give you a really quick rundown of the Jasper.ai intensified workshop. So Jarvis.ai just formally switched from Jarvis to Jasper. They were getting some legal notices from Disney, so they switched from Jarvis to Jasper, and that's why the whole commotion is going on right now. But do me a huge favor, hit the link down below and let me know what's going on. Exactly what do you need help with, and how can I help? If you need Jasper AI recipes or you need more clarification on anything, do me a huge favor, leave a comment down below and I'll get back with you as quickly as possible. And I'll see you in the next video.